Hello guys, today let's dive into Sintra AI. Should you get it? Let's weigh down the pros and cons. So Sintra AI is a business automation platform offering over a dozen specialized AI assistants, each designed for roles like customer support, social media, HR, and sales. These assistants automate tasks such as replying to emails, scheduling posts, and generating reports. The setup is no code and the dashboard is user friendly. Users report significant time savings, with some reclaiming up to 15 hours per week by automating repetitive tasks. Features like multi-language support in over 100 languages and gamified productivity tools enhance its appeal. The assistants can also save documents directly to your Google Drive, though customization options for storage locations are limited. However, there are drawbacks. Sintra AI doesn't offer a free trial, only a 14-day money-back guarantee. Some users have noted occasional lags during peak hours and a learning curve when navigating the feature-rich dashboard. Additionally, the AI assistants lack customization for brand-specific tones, which may be a consideration for businesses seeking a personalized customer experience. Pricing starts at $39 per month for a single assistant, with the Sintra X bundle offering all assistants and additional features priced at $97 per month. While the investment is notable, many find the efficiency gains justify the costs. In summary, guys, Sintra AI is a robust tool for solopreneurs and small teams aiming to automate business operations. It's not without its limitations, but for those seeking to streamline workflows, it's a platform worth considering.